Hi there, my name is Jatin Krishna and today I'm presenting my project Cricket Lab Stats Real-Time Cricket Insights and SQL-based analysis. And this project is data-driven dashboard which allow us to see and it will show the live and recent cricket matches and match insights and along with this match analytics using real-time APIs which are showing live matches available right now and SQL-based data storage which is helpful to store data and analyze it and the tools and tag I used here can see in requirements, Streamlit, Pandas, request, and skitlearn, plotly. Along with this, I used some other Python. I want to update here. I will do so. Streamlit, Pandas, and Python I used for backend logic and Streamlit for UI design and interactive dashboard and RapidAPI for gathering data to show on the dashboard and SQLite for database storage purpose and Pandas and Plotly for data analysis and visualization purpose. The goal was simple here to create dashboard for real-time cricket analysis dashboard which help to understand how many players performing well, how many players won the match, like which team is performing very well, which team can provide you best output if you want to bet on that. It will also help you to analyze the team player and this is giving clean UI, easy to understand this all things here. And talking about from the workflow here API, I used API from this and Cricket Lab and Advanced. I used some other as well and due to some limitation and some APIs are not providing sufficient data, so this API right now I'm using that and it handles API calls in this section. I'm providing API. Okay, so coming to the database and this is stored the mainly the query you do analysis. Click in the section, you go in CRUD player management section, then if you add and want to remove, these all things will come in this section. And coming to the first pages section, these are the pages right now. Analytics, CRUD, which is for player management purpose, and home in basically providing match insights, dashboard, total matches, live match, teams, count and player types. I mean match type, which is currently now only T20 match, winning 5 and completed match at 80% for count, incomplete live matches 1. So it should show 14. If we tap on live, it will show count 1. So these are the things here right now and total match type rate distribution here T20. If there are more matches available, then it will show bar chart more matches and pie chart is showing. Live are coming and completed. These things will show in live pie chart. And coming to the next, these are the page section and live players, SQL analytics. These are the things available here. And utils, which is I used here for cache.py, which handles inconsistent API. That's why using a cache API right now here. UI.py for coloring and background designing for, you can see the gradient. This is for background designing and coloring layout of UI. And database I'm using here, coming to the database, which is like database I'm right now using here to store the SQL queries and peer data using SQLite. So moving to the dashboard section or localhost. So this is the first page I explained here, and these are the all matches which are recently finished, and match they played like particularly team at third, and this is 18th and 32th Rajasthan Royals versus Lucknow Super Giant. Rajasthan Royals won by 14 runs, and Virat Bharat Ratna Sri Atal Bihari Vajpayee. This is the venue location of the stadium where match was conducted, and this is the section here right now. Live match status which show which match is right now going on, and Africa women and need what I did 79 runs to win status. This is the status of live match. If there is no live match, what will be the situation that time? If there is no live match, it will show something like this. Okay, so I took a screenshot before there was no matches going on. Then time I took the live match will be 0, and in this live section will be also show something like this: no live match right now available in this section. If there is no live match right now, there is live match and a score, and South Africa women need. So these are the over 1.2 over is right now. Total score 9, wicket 0, the 4 wicket. These are the inside right now available on the live section. Coming to the player section, this is providing I added only top 3. Okay, top 3 player from each team, which you can manage and select, and you can analyze on the player level. This player is made max score and their performance and which match they played, match type. These are the things we will get here. Like Lucknow Super Giant, I want to know about player number 2. Average score 82, max score 82, and average strike very impressive. And this is 82, this middle one here it's showing, and then 82 it's showing. Okay, so this performance very excellent as I said, and aggressive batter. So this is batsman player number 3, and Lucknow Super Giant team he was played. He sat in from player Lucknow Super Giant player 2. This is the logic here. And to check worst player, let's randomly United States of Africa. So this is also good, not bad, excellent, aggressive. These are the players here. My player average score 17, max score 17. Okay, this is need improvement. Okay, this will give the suggestion. Stable better. Okay, and this is the team he played for, and this is the player level analysis purpose, and you will get idea about player. Coming to the team level analysis, this is the team level analytics which provide the team level details. Like I want to check Karachi Kings, then average run rate 9, average wicket 9, match played 1, average score 182 it's showing. Okay, run rate and score comparison, if we see here 182 match dominance. These are the match dominance 32. Okay, this is the entire chart here, dominance match chart and win prediction, and these are the team recommendation. Here it's showing the basically team recommendation which performed very well based on you can select player from this team. Like Rajasthan Royals, we check player on Rajasthan Royals which are really good, and these are team level analysis. talking about Lucknow Giants. Okay, it's not talking that much code. It's okay, so that's why Lucknow Super Giants is not available in this recommendation. And coming to the SQL pairs, this is basically I provided here. And if there are 5 pre-written queries which you can execute and get the top match type, then T20, okay, recent match, T20, no, there are more matches are completed. So count, match type, all matches, match, 13, combined team frequency, unique team venue, total matches played, and into 5 matches was played. This kind of query you can see here, and data set summary. Okay, these are 5 venue. And if you want to query customize, you can query from here. You can write query and run, then it will show all these things here. So coming to the credit section, which is player management, basically you analyze the player level and you analyze the team level player which perform well and you want to add in your list, so you can add few platform is available for batting and which that's all things. So you can add from here. Few players I already added before, and whenever you want to add for short name like so it's I'm giving from them from my side. If you want, you can choose like player. I don't remember particular players name, player third, which team he played, top 2. So I want to this player. This player was performed well or not. Pull across Super Giant. Okay, need improvement. No, I don't want this one. And I was player third. Excellent. Okay, I will add this player in our list. Is it available? Let's check. Okay, it was already available. It says. Why not? I will go for this one. Code. It's okay. Code. Then go in. Not available. Available. Then add. And team name is this one since it's showing this player. And type of player like bowler, all-rounder, batsman. I want to check before if you want. Maybe it's bowler, I consider. We can go back and run. Not sure, but wicket I want 4. Okay, 4 wicket. So once I tap on this, player third is added already. It's twice added. If I by mistake hit twice, it will add twice. I want to remove this one. Okay, this twice. Player third, then delete. It will delete. Right now we have total player 6, count, total run, total wickets, and this is our list. We can manage here list and delete. If I want to update this player third and run, I want at least make 29 run, then wicket third, 3 wickets, then update it. And let's go and check the list. Okay, 29 and third. So this is things here. You can create your list and based on the data providing here, we can analyze and get the idea where you should expand, where you should bet, and this will help in the business to analyze the performance of player. If someone want to make a team like team 11 or dream 11, whatever it is, for these kind of things you can analyze, and this platform, this UI will help them to analyze team and the players to understand where they should spend their money. And the things here I faced in this project, like sometimes, like as I saw, these are few other platform I use different APIs, which is sometimes not providing sufficient data, and some APIs are limited, and they give me block after 15 minutes. These are the things if you use free APIs. So these are the first thing, and limitation, API limitation, no player level data, and team like bowling and runs, over these player level data was not available. And other things I faced during this project, handling the inconsistency of API. So I handled using a cache, and I avoided fake data, some providing fake data, and that create hardcode data to analyze. Hardcode data is complicated for people, and designing clean and responsive UI, because some things was not working before I want to add, but data is not showing. So because I not linked with database, so it not saved in the database player data, the table I created. These are the things I solved, adding save data extraction, using caching, and improving data validation. And other thing I will add in futures, as you can see, I'm working on like ML model for future prediction. Player level analytics, I can go more deeply, more players, and players particularly name available, that will be more better. And advanced ML, which will give you estimated result based on the previously matches completed. Based on that, we will predict player performance in future. I will use this feature there and implement it. And more powerful API I will use next time. And real-time notification system is missing right now. You have to log in. You have to, come on this platform. You have to check by yourself. I should provide notification system by implementing user email ID or credential, and based on that, whenever their live match is going on, instantly they will give you notification. That thing I can add here. These are the improvements which will be very powerful for business purpose. And be stay tuned for in advance. So in conclusion, this project is real-time data handling and dashboard development, data analysis, and clean UI creating for easy to understand. These are the things this project is providing and helping you out. And thanks for listening and understanding all things. If you like this project and any query, feel free to connect with me. See you. Bye.